everybody. I'm your host, Big Cat. Stumbling around here in the junkyard, come across a not so beautiful 85 Jag. But this is where it gets real interesting. Good old small block Chevy. I'm guessing that this is just a basic 350. Could be bored over 383 or maybe even a little dog pile 305 for all the heck I know. You know, I'm not going to tear into it too bad. Looks like it's got some Chevy Performance valve covers. Elderbrock carb, I think. And I see a Weber right there. I mean, I'm not going to lie, I'm not too much of the savvy person with carbs, but I see Weber, but then I see an Elderbrock sticker, but it might be the same company. Maybe someone bought someone out. I don't know. You can educate me in the comments. Elderbrock Performance intake manifold. Maybe turbo 400 trans, maybe. I'm gonna check that out. Okay, maybe not. Oh, Jesus. All right, let's keep checking this out. Looks like somebody went all chromed out on the pulleys, water pump, and power steering fluid. Reservoir, that's what I'm looking for. Power steering reservoir. But no, that is a cool swap, you know. If she fits, she ships, I tell you what. That is awesome. Ugh. Nice and rusty down there. See if we can get into that passenger side. See if we got 5-speed or 4-speed or an auto tragic. Auto tragic. God, this dash has seen some better days. So yeah, I'm gonna, I don't know, put my money on maybe a turbo 400 or something. I'm not sure, but yeah, this car was definitely loved at one point in time. Got a different rear end down here. Correct me if I'm wrong, I think that might be factory. I don't know. You guys might be able to tell me different, but I'm not much of a Jag guy, so I really could not tell you. But yeah, 85 XJ6 with a 350 Chevy swap. That is neat. Well, that is awesome. If you guys are looking for any parts off this, the Sherwood Pick and Pull, Sherwood, Oregon. Well, you guys have a good one.